Claude vs ChatGPT. Which AI is better in 2026? Complete comparison. Have you been wondering whether ChatGPT or Claude is the better AI system? Some people say ChatGPT is unbeatable. Others believe Claude produces smarter and more natural answers. But which one is actually worth your time and possibly your money? So in this video, I'm comparing both AI tools side by side using real world tasks. We'll look at writing, coding, research, creativity, speed, pricing, strengths, weaknesses, and who should choose each one. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which AI fits your needs. Let's get started. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is OpenAI's AI assistant and one of the most popular AI tools in the world. It can help you write emails, generate ideas, summarize documents, answer questions, create images, analyze files, write code, brainstorm content, and much more. It is used by students, professionals, marketers, developers, business owners, and creators every day. Now, what is Claude? Claude is developed by Anthropic and focuses on thoughtful, detailed, and reliable conversations. Many users appreciate Claude for its clear writing style and its ability to handle long documents without losing context. It's especially popular among writers, researchers, analysts, and professionals who work with large amount of text. Now, feature comparison. In feature comparison, first, writing. ChatGPT excellent for blogs, marketing copy, social media, creative writing, email drafting. While Claude is more natural tone, strong editing, better document refinement, excellent long form writing. So winner. If you need creativity, ChatGPT has a slight edge. If you need polished professional writing, Claude is often preferred. Number 2, coding. So in coding, ChatGPT performs very well for Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, SQL, debugging, learning programming. While Claude is also capable and often provides detailed explanations, making it helpful for understanding code and reviewing larger code bases. If you are building software, compare outputs from both tools on important tasks. Now, research. In research, both tools can summarize information and explain complex topics. Claude often excels at organizing lengthy documents into clear summaries, while ChatGPT is strong at explaining concepts step by step and presenting information in different formats. Always verify important facts with reliable sources, regardless of which AI you use. Creativity. Need YouTube scripts, business ideas, product names, stories, marketing campaigns. Then ChatGPT provides a wide variety of creative ideas. Speed. Both tools are generally fast. Performance may vary depending on your internet connection, server load, and the complexity of your request. Easy of use. Both have clean, beginner-friendly interfaces. If you are new to AI, you will likely find either one easy to learn. So, pros and cons. Now, ChatGPT pros. Very versatile, strong creative output, helpful for coding, great for business tasks, broad ecosystem and integrations, and sports, image generation, and other multimodal features depending on your client. Now, ChatGPT cons. In ChatGPT cons, some advanced features require a paid subscription. Responses can occasionally be overly confident, so important information should be verified. Now, Claude Pros. Excellent long form writing, natural and professional tone, strong document analysis, clear explanations. Cloud Cons. Some advanced capabilities may depend on your region or subscription. Ecosystem, and integrations are generally less extensive than ChatGPT's. Who should use ChatGPT? Choose ChatGPT if you are a YouTuber, blogger, SEO specialist, digital marketer, programmer, student, entrepreneur, a freelancer, content creator. It's a strong all-around AI assistant for a wide range of everyday tasks. But who should use Claude? Choose Claude if you write long reports, edit large documents, analyze contracts or policies, conduct in-depth research, prefer calm, polished writing. It's particularly useful when your work involves substantial amounts of text. Now talk about pricing. Both ChatGPT and Claude offer free access with usage limits. They also provide paid subscription plans that unlock higher limits and additional features. The best value depends on how often you use AI and which capabilities matter most to you. So which AI wins? If you want one versatile assistant for creativity, productivity, learning, and everyday tasks, ChatGPT is an excellent choice. If your work centers on long-form writing, editing, and document analysis, Claude is also a compelling option. Many professionals actually use both ChatGPT for brainstorming and creating first drafts, and Claude for refining and polishing the final results. Best tool is the one that fits your workflow. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried ChatGPT or Claude? Which one do you prefer and why? Leave your answer in the comments. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel Digital Brain, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials, tool comparisons, and practical tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.